Hello, guys. My name is Carla Garcia. I am a content development engineer at Graylog, and today I'm going to show you how to send logs to Graylog from my Windows machine. First up, I would like to show you my settings that I have for my Ubuntu. And next up is, first we're going to install MongoDB 7, then we're going to install Opensearch 2.15, and then we're going to install Graylog 6.1. And once we get that up and running, we will set up our Graylog sidecar to send logs from my Windows machine. I'll get started. So first up, we're going to do a sudo update and upgrade to make sure my box is up to date. Then we're going to install curl. Y for yes. All right, so we're going to make sure our virtual machine is updated, and if any to be upgraded, it will. So I'm going to put this. Type Y for yes. I'm going to install curl. A Y for yes. Now we're going to begin installing MongoDB version 7. Going to get the package here. I'm going to do an update. Install Mongo. I'm going to enable Mongo. And we're going to start Mongo. Now we're going to make sure Mongo is running. So now verify that is active. And now we have just installed MongoDB. So now we're going to install Opensearch version 2.15. Download the package, download the key. Make sure we do an update. Opensearch 2.12 version and greater now require setting an Opensearch essential admin password environment available when installing. So you can use an Opensearch password to protect your Opensearch cluster from authorized access. So this is the next command. All right, now we are going to open up the config. So here, the first thing we need to do is on comment here, cluster name should be Graylog. And the node name also. We're going to also a comment as well. I'm going to go down for verify the path data is correct. Then under discovery, we're going to insert this right under here. Discovery type. Single node. Then we're going to go all the way down. No, actually, actually, network host here. Zero dot zero, also on comment as well. And we're going to scroll all the way down. And at the end of the configuration, we're going to paste this in. Let's save this and exit out. Now we're going to enable Opensearch. And we're going to get Opensearch started. We're going to make sure Opensearch is actually running and it's active. There's how you install Opensearch. All right, not last but not least, we're going to install Graylog 6.1. Going to download the packages. Do an app update. Now we're going to install Graylog. All right, now before we start Graylog, we're going to first edit the configuration. So over here, we need to get a password and some hash. So I'm going to open up another terminal here. Go here, paste it. Going to copy this. Go back to the configuration. And this is my password secret, so it should go here. Oh, paste that in here. All right. I'm going to go back to the other terminal and get the hash. Copy this. Back in here. Put it here in the root password and the hash value. Paste. I'm going to go scroll down. Try to find a default here. You're going to put my machine's IP address. I'm going to come here, uncomment this. also put my IP address here. And the port number. I'm going to paste this here. I'm going to save my config. Exit. Now I can enable my Graylog. We're going to start it. And of course, we're going to make sure that is running. And it's running. There we go. We have installed Graylog 6.1. So now I'm going to be using my Windows machine to install Graylog Sidecar. Before I get started, I would like to show you my settings for my Windows machine. All right. So we're going to download Graylog Sidecar from our GitHub. So I'm going to scroll down here and show all assets. It says I'm installing Windows, my exe here. Graylog Sidecar is a lightweight configuration management system for log collectors. It provides a framework for managing log collectors such as winlogb, fileb, and nxlog. So now that it has downloaded, select yes. Follow, click next. I agree. All right. So here I will put my IP address. All right. Now here's asking for my API token. So what we're going to do is here, we're going to go into our Graylog. Admin, password. Okay, here, Graylog's up and running. All right, so here we're going to go to systems and we're going to select sidecars. All right, now I need to create a token. So I'm going to click here where it says create or reuse a token for Graylog sidecar user. Select here. I'm going to name it Windows. Create it. I'm going to copy this entirely. I'm going to go back to my sidecar here and I'm going to paste it here. Then it should install. And I'm going to click done here. Select finish once that's done. So now before installing Sidecar, we need to make sure that we have a beats input in order to receive data from our beats collector. So we're going to go systems, inputs, select input, beats, launch input. I'm going to name it Windows as well. Everything else stays as default. Scroll down, launch input. Now, here in a few minutes, I would click show received messages. And as you can see here, I would click here to refresh. And you can see the messages here. If I would like to organize with logs, what I would do is I would create a dashboard. So I would go to dashboards here. Come over here, create new dashboard. I would go to create. I would add a widget here. And I would like to see how many messages I was coming in. So that's a widget. Then I would like to add another thing. I click here. I would like to see a message table. There are my messages. And I can come here and I can edit as well. Here as well, message table. However you would like to see it, you can add it here. You can fix it, make it smaller, add another widget as well. Custom aggregation. Let's see here. I can edit here. See, I would like to see it through, let's see, source, limit, let's do 10. And I would like to see it in a bar graph. Come to metrics. Would like to see the count. Can do a preview, see how it looks. I'm only having one. I can update the widget. And there I have 3 different widgets. I can change this as well as count by source. Yes, and these are a few things that you can do, but this is one of my favorite ones. So you can able to see it. You also can save it as well. And you can see your logs coming in organized and you can edit it as you would like. Well, thank you for watching, guys. Any questions, feel free to contact me. And thank you very much.